Hello, I'm Eric Bertoya. Today I'm gonna do the coconut tart. It's gonna be 3 different layers for inside the tart. One is gonna be like shredded coconut mixed with some coconut puree. Then I'm gonna do coconut custard. On top of that is gonna be a coconut whipped cream with some shredded coconut on top. So I'm gonna do the fonçage for the tart. First of all, I did like pâte sucrée, sugar dough for the tart. So basically, I mixed the butter with the sugar first of all, and then add the eggs and then some flour, and I combine everything together. Then I spread between the two spread acetate sheets and keep in the fridge overnight. Then I'm gonna use rain tart, which is I put some butter around to make sure it doesn't stick while it baked. And I'm gonna do the fonçage for this. So I just go around the ring, I press inside, make sure everything, I want the dough 90 degrees on the bottom. Then when the fonçage is done, I'm gonna keep refrigerate for 15, half an hour, and then I'm gonna bake the tart just like that for 325 degrees Fahrenheit until golden brown. Okay, just like that. Now, so I'm gonna do the coconut custard or coconut pastry cream. So I'm gonna bring to simmer some coconut puree and some milk together. Then while that, I got some egg yolks and whole eggs inside the bowl. I'm gonna just stir all together to break the part. I'm gonna add some sugar, and I'm gonna whisk really well actually, just to get the consistency smooth. And then for the thickness, I'm gonna add some cornstarch, just like that. Same thing, I'm gonna stir all together to combine everything. Here we go, and I put aside for when it starts to simmer. When the liquid start to simmer, I'm gonna add like 20% of the liquid to the mixture to make sure it's the same temperature, and I'm gonna put back the mixture to the liquid, and I'm gonna stir really well until it's thicker actually. It's went to the simmer, so I'm gonna add like 20% to the mixture to combine everything together, just like that. And then the mixture, I put everything back into the pan, and I'm gonna stir really well until it's thick enough, just like that. Here we go. Then the pastry cream, the coconut custard, I'm gonna put back into the sheet pan, cover with the plastic wrap, and cool off. Cool off while the tart is going to bake, and to prepare the other thing. Here we go. And I'm gonna cool off for at least half an hour into the fridge, and done. So the tart, I'm gonna cut the edge to make everything even. Here we go. And then from that, what I do, I'm gonna cover that with the plastic. And on top of that, I'm gonna put some ceramic sphere. That the edge doesn't go down and is consistent. Then cover it with the plastic, and I'm gonna bake that 325 for at least half an hour. So when the tart is cooked, just like that, now I'm gonna do, I want something on the bottom to have some texture and to feel the coconut. So basically I got some coconut puree from Ravi Fruit. As you can see, all the fat content from the puree, which is kind of thick, which is great. And I got some coconut shred, really fine, and I'm gonna combine to the puree, just like that, to mix everything together. I want to create like a paste. And then this paste I'm gonna put on the bottom of the tart. So this one will be the first layer of the tart, just like that. I'm gonna press with a spoon. Of course, the coconut, you can, if you want to use some like lime zest, lime juice, if you want to flavor, it goes really well, the passion fruit, but I want this tart like 100% only coconut with 3 different layers and also 3 different texture. I want to feel all coconut. Also this mixture of the coconut is going to seal the bottom of the tart. It doesn't go to get soggy or too soft, you know, for a while actually. On top of that, after I'm gonna add the coconut custard to the top. Here we go, just like that. Okay. So now, when the coconut pastry cream is like room temperature or cold enough, I'm gonna take what I need. Then I'm gonna stir the cream to get smooth, and I'm gonna pipe on top of the tart, just like that. Okay. Then I'm going to proceed like a circle, just on top like that. Here we go. Okay, this is the second layer. And then I'm gonna do like chantilly with the coconut, the puree now from that. So for the coconut chantilly, I got the coconut puree over here. I got the confectioner sugar, and then some heavy cream with some mascarpone. The mascarpone goes to help for the thickness and also for the texture to get more smooth and to have a good bodiness also for the taste. And the mascarpone also enhances the flavor, the fat also, which is great. So I combine everything all together. And then sugar. And I'm gonna whip until the texture is desired. Here we go. So now the coconut whipped cream. Okay, the consistency is perfect. Then I'm gonna use a piping bag. And I'm gonna pipe onto it. I'm gonna do some line, actually, some straight line. I'm gonna do some then on top I'm gonna add some shredded coconut to cover the whipped cream. Just the coconut, just natural like that. Why? Because I want everything like natural, like a white, just a spread on top. Here we go. And I did some coconut chocolate decor, which is tempère the white chocolate, and then pipe some dirt into it onto the acetate sheet, and then I spread some coconut, and with another acetate sheet I just put that on top, and I press with the ladle just on top like that to keep it flat, to make around it. And after you leave set for at least half an hour, and just to keep the chocolate like room temperature around 20 degrees Celsius. And then you can use as a decor or for something like that. I like a lot this decoration because you can use for many things. Some people actually does kind of shape like that, and you could do some ganache, some filling, and to pipe on top of it. And then on top of that, you can put another layer of chocolate. It's like a soft texture in the middle and crunchy between. It's like kind of a cookie between a cookie sandwich, but with chocolate. That is very interesting, and you could use for decor or to make many things with that. And the idea is just to put just like that some round, okay, and that's it.